the number of cases of COVID-19 or the virus COVID-19 coronavirus has shown a very big rise all of a sudden in Goa. It is only because we opened up Goa, or center opened up Goa, or we gave permission for the trains to halt, wherein a large number of Goans were stranded in Delhi. Some were students, some were our Goans who had gone for different works, some from Mumbai who came down to Goa, along with non-Goans also, were tested positive. Eyes Honorable Chief Minister कडे आमची मीटिंग हा आणि सगळे एमएलएंक तेणे आपयल्या. म्हाका दिसता गोंयकाराचे वाटे वतीन आमी सांगपाची गरज आहा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक, आनी व्हेरी व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंगली सांगपाची गरज आहा प्रत्येक आमदारान. इट इज ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल द गोवन पीपल ऑफ गोवा that we need to immediately stop the halts of the train to Goa.
Start in Goa with tourists getting no COVID certificate from doctors. Do you think
This
that
is not now.
realistic?
I had spoken about August. I'm very clear on that. But the way things are going on, I don't think it is possible. I don't think it is possible, because if you look at the figures of India, they are just rising in numbers. And if you look at Goa now, people who are coming from outside the state by trains are bringing this virus to Goa. So our matter of concern is stop the trains first from coming in. We have to only concentrate on sending trains from Goa, like how the other states are doing. Maharashtra is sending truckload of migrants, trains full of migrants. Whatever way means they can send, including buses they are sending. आज एक बरी गजाल आमी केल्ली आहा की बसी आमच्यो गोवा टू कर्नाटका केल्या up to the border, both the borders, and dropped them up to the border, and their buses have taken them. So we are free as far as Karnataka is concerned. Karnataka जे सगळे लोक गेले.